Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and it's amazing. People watch my videos and they try to make it, but then he goes, how would you put it into a square or a rectangle? And it's pretty easy. You could actually draw this starting off from a deal, but if you remember, we did a polygon. So for whenever I start doing something, I'm going to make a duplicate of it just in case I mess something up. And then I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. You have to do these in a couple of orders, the right order. We're pretty good. As it's still a hairline, go and intersect it. And now you see the box. Now take your rectangle, make it that 8 points, go to Object, Outline to Object, left click, right click. I'm going to keep it black just so we can see the difference. And now let's see if the weld tool will work. And voila, there it is. Now you've got some little bitty small pieces, but if that doesn't bother you, that is pretty cool. And you know, you could elongate it if you wanted your, a rectangle in it. Well, you could actually do that before you make this bigger and make your rectangle fit in there instead of just a square. So you could definitely make it in, a lot of people would do this you'd want maybe smaller holes for vent covers, air vent, especially in an old house, make it out of some really nice wood, or just artwork. If you take this thing and rotate it 45 degrees and hang it on a wall, cut out like that, or even back it up. And this might be a good thing for a layered art, to have different layers inside. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.